Hello friends, it's Arthur with the first episode of Everscale News. The most important news of the ecosystem in 2 minutes. The crypto market is still in a pretty bad state, but we got a lot of interesting updates and that's the thing that matters the most. Let's go. Broxus updated the Chrome extension for Ever Wallet. They added the possibility to create a backup for restoring seed hierarchies, keys and accounts. Also, the wallet includes a number of small improvements. You can find the link in the Chrome store in the description. Moonstake, one of the largest DeFi pool providers in Asia, is going to add Ever to its pools. Also, soon it will be possible to store, send and receive Ever using Moonstake Wallet, which already supports more than 2,000 tokens. Tauss DeFi Hackathon 2022 has started. There are 2 challenges sponsored by Broxus and Everscale. The first challenge is to create a bridge between Tauss and Everscale. The second one is to develop a debug for interacting with Tauss addresses, checking balances and sending tokens on Tauss, which opens the path to making Everscale a multi-asset application. We'll provide you with the update next week. Speaking of bridges, Broxus and Occam.fi launched the bridge between Everscale and Cardano. It will potentially bring some liquidity from the Cardano ecosystem and will create new opportunities for developers. TonLabs is working day and night to improve Everscale. The new security update for all nodes is ready, and it's crucial for all validators to get the new version. The next update, number 20, will cut off all validators with the outdated software and will make Everscale protocol incompatible with the old Tom protocol. Everscale organized the marketing AMA session where Nikita Inchakov told the community about the new marketing approach and the reorganization of the whole process. Also, he mentioned that the team is in talks with some of the top 10 exchanges about listing the Ever token, and that everyone will be able to see the first results pretty soon. That's all for today. Stay tuned.